Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we are also going to talk about one strong and one weak stock for tomorrow's trading session. That is going to be on June 13th, 2024. Coming straight to our previous day's analysis, we discussed about Bharti Airtel to be strong. See, today 12th here, you can see first candle was green, straight to the target. We had given you this target here. Okay. After that, in the previous video, I have shown you a inverted head and shoulder pattern like this that was formed, and I told you this would be the first target. We took two more targets using Fibo trend based extension, and the second target was met, third target is still to meet. Coming to weakness, we saw weakness in Hindalco. We discussed about weakness in Hindalco. We discussed that this is not a very healthy movement, and that's exactly what happened. First 15 minutes is what it was strong. After that, entire day it was weak. Now, did it go below this and our sell got triggered? The answer is no. But if you have sold on any rise, you are in profit. Any rise you sell and you are in profit throughout the day, except for first 15 to 20 minutes. That's the story about Hindalco. Anyways, the sell did not get triggered is what you can consider. So Bharti Airtel target net buy stock and sell stock not very much trigger did not happen. But yes, coming to Nifty, Bank Nifty. See, I would like to comment here that Bank Nifty did not follow the technical analysis properly, but Nifty did. Why am I saying this? For this, we will draw a Fibo from the recent bottom, which is here, till the recent top, which is here. Okay. So when it comes to first retracement level here, there should be some upward momentum. Did it happen? The answer is no. When it came to the second retracement here, it should go at least till this area. Okay, did it happen? No, it came down from here itself. And then it continued to go down 61.8. It showed a small reversal. It should have shown a bigger reversal. Did it happen? No, and it continued to fall. Now, when we talk about Nifty in the same case, see, this is your bottom. And if I'm drawing a Fibo from the bottom to the top, you will see from the first retracement, which is here, 38.2 levels, it gave you this particular target, this and this target, the top. Then it was a perfect double top pattern that was formed. And if you look at it, there was a proper breakdown like this. Okay. Then there is a retest here. Okay. Now, if someone draws a Fibo from recent top, which is here, till this bottom, this is the bottom. Okay. This is the top, this is the bottom. Exact 38.2 retracement and fall. Perfect technical momentum that it gave. Unlike Bank Nifty, this was a perfect momentum, came downwards. Again, if I draw this Fibo till here, okay, this was the bottom made. Again, 38.2 entry here, straight down. The bottom is almost touched. These wicks were touched. So this was also a perfect momentum. That is why I'm saying that Bank Nifty did not follow the technical analysis and Nifty followed technical analysis. I hope I made my point very clear. What do we see now? We are still positive on both Nifty, Bank Nifty, friends. See, this is a big rally that has come. Now, what is important is where should we enter for a positive upward momentum. For that, we will draw a Fibo from this bottom here. Okay, this bottom to this top. Okay, so our entry points for buy are here, one, which is 22,950 for Nifty. Okay, and the second entry point is not at 38.2 because at 38.2 there is no specific reason that we see. At 50% level, which is here, there is again an entry point. So if you are getting any momentum downwards, okay, you can capture it till 23.6 levels, which is at 22,950. Now for that, what we'll do is we'll do a even better analysis. See, if you watch closely here, if I'm drawing a trend line like this, and if I'm drawing a trend line like this, now I want you to tell me what is the name of this particular pattern. Okay, upward momentum followed by 1, 2 and 3. What pattern is this, and what is going to be the outcome of this pattern when there is a breakdown somewhere here? Just put it in the comment. Nifty followed by the pattern name. So if there is a breakdown, that's when we will go ahead and short it till this area. What is the area? It is 22,960 levels, 50, 60 levels. 5 or 10 points here or there. This is where we also see a proper support zone like this. See, whenever it came here, it broke this support, took here and fell down. Again it came till here, fell down, then there is a breakout. After breakout it took support here and continued to go up. So next time when it comes here, it will take this support and continue to go up. That's what is our exception. That's what is the expectation. In case there is a breakdown, we can straight target till here. In this case, what would happen is we will have a small stop loss. Even if you consider this top as your stop loss, okay, this is your stop loss followed by this target. That is giving you 1:2.29 risk to reward ratio. That kind of risk to reward ratio is what we need to work, and not less than 1:1. That's about Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty is a similar situation, but the Fibo doesn't start from here. The Fibo starts from here, where it has made a triple bottom pattern. Let's remove this particular Fibo here and see here what has happened. Here if I'm drawing this trend line like this, okay, it is very close to a breakdown. But did it actually give a breakdown? The answer is very close. Now if this breakdown is successful and if you see a retracement, that's when we would go ahead and short it for what levels? The levels are again this area only, 23.6 levels only. So even here at the short, what will happen is we will have a nice risk to reward ratio starting here. Even this top is your stop loss. You will have a good risk to reward ratio of 1:1 only. That is not a very good risk to reward ratio. So considering sell on Bank Nifty is not suggested. When it comes to Nifty, selling is still suggested. In Bank Nifty, what would happen is once it comes here, that's when we will go for a long, keeping a nice to risk to reward ratio upwards. So see, if you are going long somewhere here, in that case you'll have this stop loss or maximum this stop loss, and in that case you'll have this target. That's where you are getting a good risk to reward ratio. So net if you're shorting below this, we would go for Nifty as sell, and if you're going long, that's when we would look at Bank Nifty. Now there is one more possibility here. What can happen is it can take a support at this particular trend line also. See, look at this trend line properly. This is a trend line, so it can go ahead and take support here and continue to move upwards. In this case, what do we see? We see a trend line like this from the recent top to this bottom, something like this, where it has given a breakout followed by a retest. Now good possibility that it can continue going upwards from here, taking this support, this trend line support, and continue to go up. So Nifty right now, Bank Nifty right now is at a dicey place where it is a indecision kind of a candle. Wherever there is a breakout, say for example there is a breakout of this top level, that's when we will go long, and we will use Fibo based trend based extension like explained in the previous video to get upward targets. And downside, if in case this entire area is broken, even this 38.2 levels or 23.6 levels is broken, that's when we can target for a bottom levels, which is somewhere here, this area 38.2 side. Okay, so it has to come out of this entire zone. What is the zone? We'll mark that zone so that it is convenient. So when it is in this particular zone, there is almost no trade for us in Bank Nifty. After it crosses this zone, that's when we would wait for a retracement and then look for a momentum. Similarly, upside, if there is a cross of this zone and a retest, that's when we'll consider for a buy and then target upwards using trend based extension. I hope I made it very clear. Coming to our buy and sell stock for the day, we are considering Hero MotoCorp for a buy. See here what has happened is Hero MotoCorp has given an upward momentum. Okay, then it retraced and then again it went up, again retracement, again went up, again retracement. Now this area is not retracement, but it is sideways consolidation. Okay, so usually when there is sideways consolidation and there is a breakout, there is a good chance of upward momentum. That is the reason one has to either wait for a breakout, or we can draw a simple Fibo from recent bottom, which is here, till the top, which is here, and wait for this 38.2. So if you look at it, currently it is exactly at 38.2 levels. That is the reason we are choosing it for a buy. What will happen? It will give you a first breakout like this, and then the next breakout will be something like this and upward momentum. In this case also, you'll have a very small stop loss, say 10 points, and our target is 20 to 25 points. That's how we would be trading in Hero MotoCorp. And I see weakness in IndusInd Bank. The reason is simple, just like I told you yesterday in Hindalco, this particular momentum that has happened is not a very healthy momentum. Even if I'm drawing a Fibo from recent bottom to top, it has just come to 23.6 and it is continuing to stay here. So with good possibility, when there is a breakdown here, it will go till 38.2 and then continue its momentum upwards. What we are interested in, only capturing this small momentum downside and taking exit. We are not waiting for it to go completely down like this. I hope I made it very clear. And that's all for today. If in case you are liking the video, do hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you are still not subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow.